Living in a bustling city like Dallas has its perks: great restaurants, entertainment, and a vibrant lifestyle. However, for homeowners near highways, busy streets, or commercial areas, excessive noise can be a daily challenge. Fortunately, noise-reducing windows offer an effective solution to create a quieter and more peaceful home. Here's why investing in noise-reducing windows is a smart choice for residents of busy Dallas neighborhoods. How noise-reducing windows work. Noise pollution can be disruptive, making it difficult to relax, concentrate, or get a good night's sleep. Traditional windows often let in unwanted sounds, but noise-reducing windows are designed to significantly reduce outside noise using advanced technology, including double or triple pane glass. Extra layers of glass help block sound waves from entering your home. Laminated glass. A special sound dampening interlayer between panes absorbs noise vibrations. Gas fills, argon or krypton. These dense gases placed between glass panes improve insulation and soundproofing. Insulated frames and seals. Properly sealed window frames prevent gaps that allow sound to travel inside. By incorporating these features, noise-reducing windows help homeowners enjoy a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. The benefits of noise-reducing windows: improved sleep and relaxation. Constant exposure to street noise, sirens, or construction sounds can interfere with sleep quality. With noise-reducing windows, you can create a more peaceful bedroom environment, ensuring better rest and relaxation. B. Increased home value. Upgrading to noise-reducing windows not only enhances comfort but also boosts property value. Buyers in Dallas are looking for modern, energy-efficient, and soundproof homes, making this a valuable investment. C. Better focus and productivity. For remote workers or students studying at home, external noise can be a distraction. Noise-reducing windows help create a quieter workspace, improving concentration and productivity. D. Protection from harmful noise pollution. Studies show that long-term exposure to high noise levels can contribute to stress and health problems. Soundproof windows help reduce noise-related stress, promoting overall well-being and mental health. Best areas in Dallas for noise-reducing windows. Some Dallas neighborhoods experience higher levels of noise due to traffic, nightlife, and commercial activity. Homeowners in the following areas may especially benefit from noise-reducing windows. Downtown Dallas. High-rise living and constant city traffic create noise challenges for residents. Deep Ellum and Uptown. Known for lively nightlife, music venues, and bars, these areas can be noisy, especially at night. Oak Lawn and Highland Park. Located near major roads and entertainment hubs, these neighborhoods experience frequent street noise. Near highways, I-35, I-635, or US 75, homes near highways often deal with continuous traffic sounds. Love Field and DFW airport areas. Aircraft noise can be a concern for homeowners near airports. For residents in these high-traffic areas, noise-reducing windows can make a significant difference in their quality of life. Choosing the right noise-reducing windows. When selecting soundproof windows, consider the Sound Transmission Class (STC) rating. The higher the STC rating, the better the window is at blocking noise. For busy Dallas neighborhoods, look for windows with an STC rating of 35 or higher for optimal noise reduction. Some popular options include Laminated double-pane windows with high STC ratings. Triple-pane glass for maximum noise insulation. Acoustic-grade window seals to prevent sound leaks. Additional tips for noise reduction. While noise-reducing windows can significantly cut down on outside sounds, combining them with other soundproofing methods can create an even quieter home. Consider heavy curtains or drapes to absorb sound. Weather stripping around windows and doors to seal gaps. Adding rugs and soft furnishings to reduce indoor sound reflections. Is it time to upgrade your windows? If you live in a noisy Dallas neighborhood and want a more peaceful home, investing in noise-reducing windows is a smart decision. They not only create a quieter indoor environment but also increase property value, improve sleep quality, and enhance energy efficiency. To explore your options, consult a local window expert in Dallas to find the best soundproofing solutions for your home. With noise-reducing windows, you can enjoy all the excitement of city life, without the unwanted noise.